Fintech as well, right? I mean, it's a good set of numbers that the company has reported. So it'll be interesting to see how the market is reacting to that. 1% higher on PB Fintech. Overall, for the opening, the first take is absolutely flat. So just consolidating around 17,850. In terms of individual stocks, just keep an eye out on tech stocks. They're all under pressure this morning. Infosys, Wipro, Tech Mahindra are all in the red. Infosys is down about 1%. And then you have a couple of other heavyweights like HUL, HDFC. BPCL is down in the red as well, and Coal India too, just a tad bit soft. On the upside, I was mentioning how Adani Group stocks have made a recovery, staged a recovery last week, and that continues today. Adani Enterprises, ACC, Ambuja, Adani Ports, all up in the green this morning. M&M is surging up 1.5%. The numbers were very strong, and a lot of positive brokerage views coming in as well. It's the top Nifty gainer right now. More on that later. Bajaj Finserv, Bajaj Auto in the green, Nestle, Titan, ITC, a lot of FMCG stocks also holding up quite well. Hero MotoCorp, Eicher comes out with numbers tomorrow, so that one is also up in the green, up about 0.3%. And then you have Tata Consumer, ICICI Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank that are also trending on the green line. So largely you'd have to say it's a very, very quiet opening, just consolidating. The mid-cap index though is a tad bit in the red. Coforge, IDFC, City Union, a couple of these stocks are under a lot of pressure. Nigel will take that forward, but largely the headline index is just consolidating.
Well, that's right, Sonia. On IDFC, actually, it's gone ex-dividend, so that explains why the stock is down closer around 12% odd. Keep in mind, today it's gone ex-dividend. City Union Bank, that's getting a hard knock in today's trading session. It's down closer on 7% in reaction to its numbers. Lupin, for the second day running, well, that's coming for a bit of a clonk. It's down closer around 5%. Remember, the street didn't like part of their numbers. At the face of it, they look pretty good, but otherwise there were pockets which the street didn't like, so that's down close around 5%. Lupin is lower. InfoEdge as well, Rima told us a set of numbers are quite weak, so that is down close around 4% as we speak. On the flip side, Oil India's numbers look absolutely splendid. You know, in a difficult quarter, they delivered good numbers, and now valuation-wise, there is some support out there, so that stock was up close to around 5% odd. Nalco, the numbers were better than what the street was working with. The problem is coal costs have gone up, and employee costs were sharply lower as well. So sustainability is going to be a question, but for the time being, those numbers are better than expected. So that's up close to around 1.5%. And we just spoke to the management of JK Lakshmi Cement. They're talking about good volume growth for the coming quarters and also guiding that EBITDA per ton will improve by around 200 rupees odd, which is very, very encouraging. So that stock as well opens up well in the green. Well, it's a good start. That initial dip has got bought into. Mid-caps under pressure, but the Nifty Bank, well, that's up close to around 50 points, and that's going to be the swing factor for the day.
You know, let's have the Adani stocks up as well, because I think that's where a lot of the focus has been. I can spot Adani Ports and Ambuja, which are higher by about 1.5, between 1.5% to 2%. So those